Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily create an invite link for your Discord server. It's a very easy process. Make sure to watch till the end and let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is open up your Discord application, sign into your account and go down to the Discord server where you want to create an invite link. Now, you probably searched in the settings right here in the member list. Now there's nothing you can do, but what you want to do, you want to go down to general in the text channel, simply create a text channel, and from there you see the little plus icon, create invite. Now from there, here you can invite friends directly, and if you go down to the button, you can see send a server invite link to a friend. You can simply copy this. You can also edit the invite link, so the max number of users and the expire after. Now it's very easy. Now from there you can send this to your friends and invite them. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.